Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this origami skyscraper phone stand. And it's really cool. So you just place it on the desk and you take your phone and you can put it landscape like that and you can watch videos or portrait. And it's definitely strong enough it'll stay up. Alright, we'll learn how to make it. Ready, set, here goes. This is a super simple model, so grab your paper and let's start folding. So this model, I actually recommend you use a thick paper. I'm going to use a sheet of Astrobrite printer paper cut square. This is 8.5 by 11 inches, but so I'm going to use a sheet of printer paper cut square, so let's cut it square. You could try it from origami paper, but I don't really recommend it because origami paper is really thin. So yeah, so just whatever thick paper you have, just make a square out of it. And then, yeah. Okay, you can throw this part away. And let's fold the model. So this is really simple. Fold in half diagonally, both ways. And fold to the top. Okay, and actually if you just want a really simple 3-fold phone stand, open it up like this, place it down, and there's your phone stand. And you can put your phone against it like that, and you can watch videos. Let me see if I can do a portrait too. Yep. But if you want to be a little more advanced, I'll show you how to make it into a skyscraper. And this will make it a little bit stronger too, because of the layers of paper. Alright, so unfold. And we're gonna rotate like this. So here are all the creases on so we have it rotated like this, and all the creases are on the right, on this right triangle. Okay, so we're gonna rotate it like this. So here's these two creases. We're gonna fold this up so this corner touches this crease and the fold originates at this corner. I need to hurry up and get this video done because my camera's about to die. I need to charge it. I happened to shoot this video at low battery for some reason. Okay, and repeat on this side. And take this edge and fold it to this edge, and repeat on this side also. Why does my camera have to be on low battery? Okay. Alright, now remake these two folds, and then fold this flap over the edge. Here, I'll zoom in. And then this flap goes inside of this pocket. Just stuff it in there. So we're just wrapping it over that edge. Okay. And lastly, take this whole bulky part and fold it up. However much is fine. I don't really have an exact guide mark for this. Just fold it up, just about like that. And there you have it. So this works like this. Landscape or portrait. And if you want, this is optional, but you can fold this edge up just a little bit, this bulky part. Just fold it up just a little bit, and the reason why I'm doing that is because whenever you put your phone down, this part sticking up will keep your phone from slipping like that. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's why I did that. So it keeps the phone from falling off. So yeah, there it is. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed folding this and find it useful for your phone. And yeah, if you did, make a demo of it and put the link to your demo in the comments below, so that way I can click on it and check it out. Alright, hope you guys like this model and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye bye.